Life is about the journey, not just about the destination. But sometimes the destination is even more beautiful than you ever could have imagined. Hana is one of those places. Its beauty in ever-changing weather is always catching you off guard. Hana was once home to much of Maui's royalty, including King Pialani and Queen Kahumanu, who was born here. The sheer beauty of the Hana coast is breathtaking. In 1866, Mark Twain came to Maui, and he wrote, "I went to Maui to stay a week, and remained 5. I've never spent so pleasant a month before, or bade any place goodbye so regretfully." To appreciate the true beauty of Hana, visit Haleakala National Park and the 7 sacred pools at Oheo Gulch. Hike the PPY Trail. The 4-mile round-trip trail can be challenging at times, but is considered by many to be one of the most beautiful hikes on all of Maui. There are so many unforgettable places to photograph in Hana, but here are a few of my favorites.